all have used Google search engine extensively. Google is able to grow its search engine platform as it has successfully integrated internet users, which are searchers like you and me, website host and advertiser. Google's algorithm utilizes data to make sure that a user with specific query finds website which can best answer their search. It also enables website owner to target user they want to attract on their website. One of the most popular credit card companies is American Express. American Express facilitates two groups of clients, namely vendor, which are business accepting credit card payments, and customer, which are people willing to use credit card to buy goods or services. Online marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon or Zappos enable buyer-seller interaction. Sellers are able to list their product for small fee while buyer can discover product listing, purchase product and pay online. These are the examples of company following two-sided business model. A two-sided business model facilitates interaction between multiple interdependent groups of customers for mutual benefit via its platform. Let's analyze two-sided business model with few more examples. The hiring function in LinkedIn or a recruitment portal like Naukri.com acts as a two-sided market. LinkedIn and Naukri.com fosters interaction between recruiters and candidates. The value for candidate increases with the amount of jobs posted on its website, and value for recruiter increases with increasing number of candidates actively using its platform. One of the most popular social media platform, Facebook, attributes its growth to successful implementation of two-sided business model. On Facebook, with increase in number of user base, the time spent by each user on Facebook has increased. This has led to increased interest among brands and associations to establish their presence on Facebook. Another example from daily use is App Store or Google Play. This platform functions as a two-sided market with app developer on one side and user on other side. The main challenge of two-sided business model is to steer two customer group in such a way as to maximize indirect network benefit. For two-sided business model to work, the chicken or egg problem needs to be solved. As more people from one group customer use platform, the more attractive it becomes for people of other group vendor to come on this platform. This works in both the direction. Company following two-sided business model are just responsible to maintain platform that enables interaction. Most of the content on such website is user generated. Friends, share your views in comment section below. Where have you noticed application of this pattern or any variant of this pattern? Looking forward to your views.